Guys, the company Lasfit, I think that's how you say it. They sent me these liners before. I've had their stuff. It's really high quality stuff. And they wanted me to do a comparison video between their material and how it kind of covers and contours around the seats and stuff like that, and it fits tighter and further up than other mats do. And it snaps into the factory holes. One thing is it doesn't quite come over as far. The other mats that I have, they come over like another inch here, which not a big deal. It does contour and fit better on the floor. The material does feel very soft and very pliable, like easy to wash. It probably won't fade as fast. So when I go back here and I look at the Oedros, which these are nice, but you're losing like this much of the overlap. These are nice, but they're more stiff. They're not as sporty looking as the Lasfits. The advantage the Oedro has is it's got one entire piece that goes all the way across the front of the truck. Snaps into the driver's side, covers the center tunnel that the transmission sits in underneath. So it covers the center carpet in between the driver and passenger seat, and then just kind of sits over on the passenger side. Now the material is a little bit more stiff and it's not very hard to clean, but the Lasfit stuff, if you look here, it's very flexible. It's very soft compared to the Oedro or the Yita motors. So quality wise, the Lasfit seems to be better. Fitment wise, the Lasfit seems to be better. Price wise, I think they're all about the same. I think the Oedro and the Yita motors are a little bit less, but they seem to be overall, depending on if you want budget or not so much budget, good but better. And this is just kind of my opinion on this. I think the Lasfit design is a little sportier. If you look at it, contours the back of the vehicle and fits up underneath the seats and stuff more. So let me go put this in the passenger side real quick. Here it is in the passenger side. It does fit more and it is tighter underneath. It goes up a little bit further underneath. It does contour the seat. Sorry, I didn't vacuum anything. We're on the fly doing this. All right, this is how the back fits for the Oedros. Kind of rides up on this. It's not perfectly cut down here, so it doesn't fit in between the seat underneath perfectly, but it still does a decent job. Now let's put the other one in here and look at it. So this does fit better. It actually like kind of contours. It's got a hard edge and then it folds down, so it goes down towards, and it actually comes up the back of the storage compartment area higher, so there's more coverage over here. And underneath the seats, it rubs the space right there just a little bit, but it actually fits better than the Oedros or the Yita does. So I'm gonna leave these in here for now. It's been folded over in half, so it's got a little bump right there, but that ain't nothing. It'll flatten out as I drive the truck and people sit back here and put pressure on it. It was folded in the back of the truck. So yeah, I definitely like the Lasfits better than the other ones I've used. They fit very good and they seem like they're very high quality. So I got the little one sitting in here right now. She's testing it out. Which ones do you like better?
These.
You like the Lasfits better?
Yeah.
Lasfits. Now, why?
Because they're fancy.
They're more sporty and they got a better, like, fancy design to them?
Yeah.
I like the Oedros better than the Yita Home and the Lasfits for the front because it covers the center section, but overall, fitment wise and quality of how the material feels, I got to give it to Lasfit. So yeah, great product, great easy install, fits very, very, very nice. I really like these. Great job, guys. Catch you later. Be blessed.